Hi guys, I'm going to unbox this set. I think you remember the last video that I said if you subscribe my channel, then you can see what is inside this box. Then now I'm going to open this box. They're very clever. They made a big box and a very small box inside this. These are a little shining. They can make lots of things, and these are the ABCs: G and Y, D, E. There's a lot of them. These are cubes, and they have shapes on them. They're different kinds of shapes, and these alphabets are round, and they are very colorful. These ones are very small. These two are very small. These are a little shiny, and this one flat. Yes, and they are also flat, and these ones are circle, and they are very tiny too, but they are not shiny. These ones are shiny. There is silver and gold. These ones are balls. Look, it's a ball. And they're colorful. There are lots of different colors of them. These ones are normal, simple cubes, and they are written in black. These are the different kinds of ropes, so you can make the bracelets. This one is a little stretchy, so you can pull off the bracelet. And the colors are pink, purple, blue, orange, and green. It's a book about how to make the bracelets. They can help you make lots of different ones. Look. You also need few glue. After you make the knot, you need glue so it doesn't break that fast. Make the bracelet now. bracelets. When I wrote great over here on this bracelet, and I wrote smile in this bracelet. This is the one that has smile on it. I made every one of them different color. This one is pink and purple. I wrote best friends forever on this one. I wrote fun on this one, and it almost has every color. And this one is the one I wrote great on. And this one is the one that I just did plain. It has no words. You can also wear them in one hand, and you can write a sentence in the bracelets. So when you wear them, there is a sentence. Make lots of things with it. You can also make a necklace and a ring, but I made bracelets. If you want to make a necklace and a ring, then you can. If you like my video and my bracelets, bye bye.